Retro Fresh. Octane Dune Racer. Really, that's all I got? Alright. Switching back to controller.
Back.
Or if I just buy the game, I can play it. So I'm pretty positive I've still played enough Game Pass to where paying for it and not playing it, I've still spent less compared to if I were to buy the games. Imagine buying Redfall. Checkmate. Fun experience.
Imagine buying Redfall.
Fun experience, but I would not pay for that.
I mean, technically you did pay for it, but you know.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, cool. The game. All right. No amount of discount is reasonable. That's true too. What's the argument against regional pricing? Imagine playing games you wouldn't have paid for because they were bad. Yeah, see, that's the thing. But I enjoyed playing
I need
it.
to hit a double tap. Oh my gosh.
I enjoyed playing it even though it was bad.
And that's the. There are some games that are like that, and there's some games that aren't like that. It is very, very dependent.
Yeah, and you don't know
It's
that you're gonna enjoy
individual.
it.
Yeah.
Waste of time? No. Well, okay, I mean, we were using it to fill time until Remnant 2. But I wouldn't say it was a waste of time. It was just a time filler.
I'm sad I missed Redfall because probably funny.
Oh, it was. Oh my gosh. The times, one of the checkpoints, every single time Positron spawned at it, it put him at a different spot, including inside the ground, falling through the world.
That's crazy. Dude, I've been playing so much threes. It's so weird for there to be one person.
Nice. No, but that was the Sunday stream slot. What am I gonna do? Game dev instead of stream? Gotta play with my crew.
Okay. We're gonna fake it. Nice.
Dude had a nice backflip.
Oh. 2v1.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh! What happened to the other guy?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. Interesting.
Oh, he's back. I'm gonna be a bad post here. But that works. Oh, I messed up the pinch.
Dang. That actually worked.
Yeah, he was all up on both of us.
How much younger am I getting? I'm getting younger. Don't worry.
Hey, Ryuji, I think about that too.
And you know, the bigger problem is you know, I'm touching a lot of grass recently. Not having as much time on the PC.
Whoops. Gonna demo you? Question mark. Oop.
Dream Swing? Alright, I forgot. I'll challenge. Ooh, that's you.
Thanks.
After this match, I'll get to it. Nice. We're right there. I'll just let the replay.
I'm gonna go for demo here.
Dang.
He hits that. Ooh.
There's a good little air tap he had.
Nice. Oh, I followed too close because I wanted that boost. Not bad. Alright. See what I can. Never
Let's see
mind.
who's in front of me. Oh, almost had it.
Yeah.
You can play fetch with the dog in Baldur's Gate 3. You can do that in Breath of the Wild too, or in Tears of the Kingdom.
You can do everything in Tears of the Kingdom. Bro, that is straight Gary's mod. What are you talking about?
Oh, did they just
What are
bump
they
each
doing?
other?
I don't know what they're doing. Alright, he's
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
gonna say he has a flip. I'm gonna chase.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I knew he was going for that. Go.
Oh, he got the extra
Okay.
bump. Dang, tried bumping him there.
Oh. Ah.
Oh,
Very physical game. Nice hit out. Follow that. I have no boost thing.
oh, I had one pad worth, unfortunately. Could have been a beautiful hit. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I didn't know if you were turning and then you.
Nice pinch. Oh, that's
That
alright.
works. Okay. Nice, you got. Looks like he's wants your blood. Alright, now it's me.
Beautiful.
Nice. Actually, wasn't that fast of a hit. I did not want it to.
Can't
like
have
that,
60
but-
FPS in Tears. Is that really needed though?
Okay. I'm gonna be honest. That is in my once again. I'm very big on the quality of a game when it comes to a AAA title, at least. So I'm gonna be honest. I
Oh, that's
think
not-
at this point it is a genuine reason to not give it Game of the Year.
That's fair.
That is that is not the what is the team behind Zelda?
Uh, what do you mean?
Team name. What's the team behind Zelda?
Nintendo?
I thought it was more specific than that.
No, usually you just go off of the like the game
Like
director. name.
Pokemon is Game Freak, not Nintendo.
Game Freak's that's the only like Nintendo one that's made outside, I think.
Well, it's not the Zelda team's like specifically's fault. Like they can't do anything about that, but Nintendo is
Mhm.
like really bottlenecking by not being like, especially the OLED at least being. Yeah.
Yeah, Game Freak. I guess Retro Studios for Metroid. Though Metroid is just like it jumps around who does it. No, because like Sakurai for Smash, Eiji Aonuma is Zelda, I think.
Yeah.
Um, Miyamoto for Mario. Pikmin, I guess, is probably second party. Is Splatoon first party? I don't
Yeah.
think there is there. What team does Splatoon though?
I don't know. You asked if it was first party. I said yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, my bad. I flipped things in my head.
Except for the mapping team. That's they hired some dudes off the street for that one.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely, lovely. Got that. Demo this guy. Alright, I'm gonna not hit it. Okay. Through the corner we go.
Ah,
Alright. I will hit it.
sorry. I was trying to get away.
Oh.
Nice demo.
Go for it. Very nice.
Nice.
Left. I missed the boost. Okay.
Shoot, hit it a bit too far.
Yeah, I should have recognized what you were doing.
It's okay. They missed.
For it. Alright, I'll challenge it, but I'm just gonna turn around. Okay. Gonna hit the roof, yep.
Nice block.
My 50. And I score.
Does my sacrifice show up?
I saw it, I saw it. I didn't witness it at the end there. Try something cheeky. I didn't work. I'm trying to get the grounded dribbles down. Cool, let me try to do something crazy. Alright, never mind. Didn't work. Now I'm out of boost and can't rotate back. I'm there. Alright, nice.
I didn't
Yeah,
know how to
that's my
position
fault for being
myself.
confrontation, but we're up, so I want to try stuff.
Hal doesn't do Smash anymore. They did Smash 64. I think that's the only
Yeah, I
one.
was gonna say, yeah, they stopped after, they might have done Melee. I just watched Sakurai's video on it. And he talked about, yeah, but yeah, Hal does not.
Though Hal doesn't exist anymore, is the thing. Because Sakurai was, like, pretty much the head of that. Nice.
And then Dream Alpha is the RPGs. Or, well, at least the Mario and Luigi series. Or was the Mario and Luigi series.
Now I'm trying to think who would have done the newest Kirby.
go up for that, I guess.
Oh, all right. I missed apparently.
Oh crap! I didn't see he was there for that. Okay. To the side. Yep. Good
I
try.
think he bumped me, but I could just be, imagining things there. Nice.
Oh, I was trying to get it to you. That's my fault.
Oh, man, this ball's like bouncing.
They do that.
Nice hit.
Thank you. Sounded like me there. The way you said that. It's a very rare occasion that I don't feather my boost, but I knew I had like just enough to get up.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Dang, I wish I knew how to like bounce it off the wall instead of it just sticking.
Sorry, I should have let you take that, but
Nope,
I
you're
I
good.
saw it early.
I don't think I would have
Okay, it's
beaten that guy
coming.
to it.
Here you go.
Oh,
Nice.
just barely missed.
There you go again. Ah, it's too hard. Sorry, it's too fast.
I'm grabbing that corner.
Yep. Ah, I got it to his friend. That's him.
Oh,
Good try.
I should have rotated differently on that. How'd he hit it so low off of that?
Left. Ah. Set up. Alright, I'm gonna hit it forwards. I gotta hit it to the side.
Nice.
Yeah, okay, there we go. Nice. Alright. Everyone's off rotation, doesn't have a lot of boost. Oh, that was a good hit by him. Go for it.
You gotta extend it. Oh, that was in the
I
goal.
was just a little. Alright. Alright. I think we go rank today. I think it's
Okay.
feeling it. I'm in Division 2. Double D2.
Ooh, my coworker group is gonna be playing Siege. I could possibly pivot to that after, but gonna be honest, I'd probably need to not have the voice chat on stream. Siege gets kinda heated when they play.
How old are your coworkers?
The one usually, I think we've got like one that's over 30, and the rest are like my age or slightly younger.
Oh. Wow.
Ooh, I did not think you were gonna be out for the count that far.
Wow, I mean, I crashed into that goal. I'll cross for it. Nice. I hit him out of the way, so it's his teammate. Good try.
Oh, Okay.
Okay.
Road to GC
You might hit
keyboard
it?
and mouse. Interesting.
Huh? Oh. Nice.
Oh, all right. Yep. Tried side flipping. Didn't do anything.
Or think he have ample. You still think he have ample. Slap that up here.
All right. I
Nice,
would.
nice hit.
I would if I could hit it.
Oh no. Okay. Good. I confused them.
What? I feel like I was dropping frames there, without the game telling me I was. Because
You hit me
yeah,
still?
I am getting zipped around a bit.
I'm gonna go back for it. Oh, I disagree. Very much so.
That should be in.
Wow. Nice. Good God.
Oh my goodness, that is not at all where it showed on my screen. Oh, now it tells me. Okay.
I am really out for the count here. I'm gonna turn on this.
Okay.
Okay, I forced
Oh.
a slip. Ooh.
Did not expect his partner to hit it out of the way there. I
That
was
works.
expecting a pinch.
I'll go.
Yeah, I've got no boost, sorry.
I saw it, so communication is.
Homie was
It's
not
key.
even demo
I'm
speed
going, I'm going.
yet. Okay. Dang it.
No! Really? Come on, game! It's like my hood's right through it!
That went right through me. Why did that stop the ball?
So I couldn't go for it there. Nice. You can hit that. Okay, that works.
I was going for the demo, but my
Ah.
car lost demo speed halfway through. I'm gonna
What?
fall back.
That hit that way?
Oh, good hit.
Ah, too hard.
Nice.
Going. Flip. Too high. Oh, grab. Okay.
Why did my car not move?
Hit.
Sorry.
I got hit into you. I'm sorry.
Dang.
Wow.
I didn't feel like they were that good. Road to GC was definitely not GC level, if you ask me.
That was not. No. Knoxville full combo, classic.
Nice. Dang, I thought it was far enough.
Alright, whatever, you got time?
Unfortunately, I threw it away. Oh, cool. No.
Straight up. Beautiful. Ah. Banned by him. Alright, turn the car over.
I could have sworn he missed that.
Okay, I am,
Ooh, couldn't make it.
that works. Keep pressure.
Is that you?
I got, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Good offense on that.
Thank you. Exactly how I wanted to hit it, too. Alright, I'm coming up. Stall it.
Oh. Dang.
I flipped the wrong way. My brain, for some reason, even though I'm consciously thinking about exactly where I should be, I guess I just always flip the wrong way. I don't know.
Game? Oh my goodness.
Ah, screwed up.
Nice way to beat him. Just barely missed. You can get there.
Okay.
Sorry, I should have.
I'm gonna hit it off the wall.
Okay. What kind of bounce was that I got off the wall?
I'm gonna try to pass it. Nope. Okay.
I've got no boost.
Real question is, what kind of hit did I get such that it didn't move?
I like bounced off the corner, and
The fact that he hit it first and alright.
oh shoot, they faked it. Nice demo.
Yeah.
That's gonna be you. My car refused to flip with the flip button. That's interesting. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of boost, but I got that.
Okay. Pass it. I'm gonna hit it, but it's in a corner. Nope. Nice shot.
Great pass.
Actually, I actually don't think that pass was that great, but it worked out. I'm right. Okay.
That's the boost.
Okay.
And now he's got it.
I'm being bumped here. Okay. There we go. You have boost?
No.
Okay.
I've
I'm
got,
just gonna go for
I've
this
got
guy.
a refill. Yeah. Nice.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Let's go,
Oh
Blizzard.
my gosh. That was freaking awesome. That's what I wanted.
Beautiful.
Flip that.
Sorry, I was not sure what was going on there.
Nice.
Let's go.
Hey, that works. Left.
Thanks for the good luck, Baronade.
Oh, no. That's fine.
I was gonna say, there's no way he gets that angle right.
Oh.
Poked at it.
I ran out of boost, dude. That was so sad. I could have had it. I was above him. I could have had that, dude.
Dang.
Where are we?
Things are going pretty well. We did some. We both beat Only Up. Played some Dream Swing. Had some good rounds of that.
I'm gonna stall it.
Okay.
Yo, my bad. I sit out. I'll wait here. Oh no. Sorry.
Dang,
Alright,
I
you
was
got time.
hoping I could pinch it there. I'm low on boost, so I'm gonna kind of dilly-dally with these pads. Oh,
For it. I missed.
oh, I was just a little to the side. I'm gonna not hit that. Nice.
I am.
Good turnaround on that. Oh, he beat me.
Oh no. Corner hit was too much.
Ooh, off his hood. You hate to see it.
I was gonna try to demo him, but
Hate to see it, but
Works,
I
I
want to
guess.
see that again. Oh,
dude, I would be so mad.
I would
Left.
also.
This is Rocket League!
I've got no boost.
Nobody does.
Oh no, don't do it again, dude. Oh, he went slow. That was
Alright, just
smart.
go back, go back.
Nice. Can I get any boost pad? Thank you. Nice. Yeah, it's you. That was bad. That was dumb and bad. Alright, that's a miss.
Hey, boost over ball.
And
Alright, I'm trolling right now.
oh, I missed that boost.
Nice, 50. Try to hit that mid. Yeah, like right there.
Oh!
Wow!
How?
Nice miss. Okay, I'll go first. I'll go first.
Like, there's a curse on this specific match. Are you kidding me?
Oh
What
my
is
God.
going
Dude,
on?
this is insane.
It's something in the water.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice.
I go.
Okay.
Nice. I'm gonna have to go back here though. Alright. I saw you going for it, kid.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. I'm first.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
We've missed
What
too
a
many of
scrap.
those.
Now look at that. 4 shots, 1 goal. 5 shots, 1 goal.
The fact that we have that many shots feels pretty good, though.
I think they're just bad at rotating, though, honestly. But maybe we're just putting on really good pressure. Who knows?
Well, in the last match, we were putting on really good offense as well.
Oh! Okay,
Nope,
it's fine.
not hitting that. Oh. Oh! I should have rotated towards the goal, not away from it. Oh, that was my mistake right there.
All good, all good.
That's you.
Yep.
There's no way I didn't touch it.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Okay. Are
Holy
you?
crap. They bumped me twice! Oh, I got double bumped. That's so frustrating.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I was, but I didn't want to take the 50 early because then it was if he won that, then
Mm-hmm. Oh,
that's
touch.
I hate when we get in these situations.
Mm-hmm. That was too weak. Nice.
Demoing.
I wish I was there. Oh, wait.
I'm first. Holy crap.
You're kidding! How'd that roll along the corner?
Ah,
That's
I
garbage.
hate losses like that.
That is complete
It's my
garbage.
fault.
I
Should have just challenged.
I'm blaming the game. That was garbage.
Okay. I have to stop. I'm gonna have to go in like 3 minutes.
Okay. That was not our fault, Ryuji. That was the game
Well,
being
I messed
dumb.
up that last save. I don't know. I expected it to play out so differently than it did. I did not want to early challenge it though. Because if I would have left flipped into him, he would have won the 50 and it would have gone above my head and straight in the goal.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to wait till I could get it closer to the corner. And then exactly when I waited, he bumped me. Okay. Well, I'm going to get ready to go here, so. Glad we got the stream though.
Yeah, this was good. I feel like we accomplished multiple streams in one with this, so that's good.
True.
Made up
Sure,
for lost
that was
time.
a long one, yeah, that's good. That was a 6-hour stream, so.
Yeah.
Made up for lost time. Now we just gotta do all the things we still want to do.
Well, we did what? We did only up race. We did our Saturday night Dream Swing session. We got
Right.
Rocket League in there. This is good.
It was good.
Now I'm gonna turn on the Switch. Where did I put my Switch? There it is. Gonna actually play some Tears of the Kingdom. It's my
Oh, word?
new update, sure.